What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, thank you for joining. And on this channel, I discuss everything non-toxic, from natural hair to clean beauty to wellness and a sprinkle of travel. So let's just get right into today's video. So I know you noticed something different. So this ponytail. So backstory is, for those of you who don't know, I have long curly hair and I'm kind of a little basic with my hair. I typically do the regular wash and go. Sometimes I'll throw it in like a low pony or a bun or a top knot. When I want to get a little fancy, switch it up, I'll straighten it. But for the most part, that's kind of where it ends. And I'm like, how am I creating content on natural hair and not experimenting and showing people cute, new, funky hairstyles? So I decided to switch things up a little bit and just have more fun with my hair. So just to start things off nice and simple, I decided to go with a low ponytail. I bought a cute little hairpiece extension off of Amazon. I will link it below. And decided to just play around with it, and it came out really cute. And this hairstyle is really good if you just want something cute and simple for the holidays, if you're looking for like a sleek but like mature look. Maybe if you have either short or medium length hair and you're just trying to sun on these and you want to hit them with the, waist length ponytail, then this is perfect. I love the texture of it. It's super easy. It blends in with my natural hair. And that's a winner. So if you want to see how I installed it and learn all the details about the ponytail and how I put it in, the material and all that good stuff, then just keep watching. So I'm starting with a 7-day hair. This is what it looks like. I haven't put anything in it. And then to show you the contents of the package, it came with these bobby pins, and the hair came in this plastic, and it's also protected with a net. So I started off by wetting my hair. That way it's easier to kind of like brush through it and part it and things like that. So I have fully saturated hair. I am going to put a part down the middle because I want a middle part ponytail. And here I'm just going to kind of finger detangle the curls just so that it's easier for me to brush. Once my hair is wet, it's much easier for me to brush through it. So now I am just going to kind of brush the hair into how I want the ponytail to lay. So I continue to brush until I get everything nice and smooth. You want the ponytail to be extremely flat. So I just keep brushing over the same spots until it's exactly how I want it, flat and smooth and sleek. So once I have it to my liking, then I am going to apply some cream just to moisturize my hair. And then after that, I am going to apply a layer of gel and then brush the hair again. Again, you want to take your time and do it nice and slow. Make sure everything is flat and neat so that the ponytail looks better. Then once I'm all set, I'm going to secure the ponytail with 2 thick scrunchies. I twist it around about 2 times to make it really tight. So this is what it's looking like, and now I am going to braid it into one big braid. The hair piece has a hole in the middle, so I'm going to end up sticking the braid inside of that hole. So this is what the piece looks like. Keep in mind that I have worn it a couple of times, but I love that it's very realistic looking. So here's the hole that I was talking about.
Here's a zoom in of the hole, and then this is the clip that you insert into the middle of your own ponytail to hold it together. And then here's also a string to wrap around the ponytail. There's Velcro that attaches it. So here you can see why I decided to do the braids, so that it's easier to insert my own hair inside of the ponytail. So I'll just get that through, and then once it's all settled nice and neatly, I will attach the clip into my own ponytail on the top. Make sure it's really in there deep. And then just get a good handle of the ponytail. Make sure it's wrapped around my hair completely. And then once you have it to your liking, then you'll take the separate piece with the hair, sort of like a string of hair, and wrap that around the ponytail, and that will hide the base of it so it looks realistic and natural. With this, feel free to take your time, make sure you get it right so that it looks nice and neat. Take your time, do it right, you can do it, baby, do it tonight. So there's enough hair so that you can wrap it around a good amount of times. And just continue to wrap, make sure it's nice and neat. And then once you get to the end, you'll secure it with 2 bobby pins. So with the placement of the bobby pins, you want to make sure you get them in a good spot where you can really secure the ponytail on and also hide them, push them in really deeply. And then 2 should be about enough to hold it on tight. Then I took a little water to wet a toothbrush and just did my baby hairs real quick. I tend to avoid gels because they break me out. And this is the final result.
So that's how your girl got snatched with this ponytail. If you guys like it, leave a comment below. Let me know what you think. Was it a good match? Does it blend well with my natural hair texture? Is it low maintenance enough for you? Is it a go, yay or nay? Definitely leave some comments and let me know. Also, if you loved watching this video, I have a ton of hair tutorials. I have a video on easy hairstyles that you can do when you have straight hair and it's dirty but you're trying to stretch it out. Definitely check that out. I have hair tutorials on how I do my wash and goes, how to do a bomb twist out. So I will be leaving those in the description box as well. I will leave the link in the description box if you guys want to purchase it. Very easy to install, super affordable. Whenever I'm trying to zhuzh up a basic ponytail, this is definitely my go-to, and it makes such a big difference than having my natural hair. This is the ponytail when you want to be a little extra, you know? So if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell down below. You don't want to miss out any new videos. Your girl is working on consistency, so I will be working on having a new video up for you guys every single week. And if I'm late, hold me accountable. Slide up in those messages and let me know, where's the video, sis? We're waiting on it. You said every week and we don't got one. So definitely hold me accountable. And that is it. I'll see you guys in the next video, and thank you for watching.